Welcome back to Learning with a Difference, news headlines in English for 24th of July. And first of all, national news. Central government officers entitled to electronics up to 1.3 lakh rupees. Car pileups, cattle washed away as flash floods hit Gujarat's Junagadh. Justice Sunita Agrawal is the second woman Chief Justice of the Gujarat High Court. Swollen Yamuna crossed danger mark. Delhi government said it's prepared. Jamia Millia Islamia to soon start medical college. Vice Chancellor Nazma Akhtar. Bail can't be refused as indirect punishment. Delhi court in bribery case. Maharashtra landslide surge operations called off after 4 days. 57 still missing. Flood alert issued in Noida, 200 people evacuated from Hindan banks. Alok Aradhe sworn in as Chief Justice of Telangana High Court. And now some international news. Thousands evacuated as Greek island wildfire rages. Study said ChatGPT can match the top 1% of creative human thinkers. Putin, Belarus president, met for first time since Wagner mutiny. Ukraine's Zelensky vowed retaliation after Russian strike on historic port city. Israel PM Netanyahu got pacemaker ahead of vote on judicial reform. Iran banned film festival over poster of actress without headscarf, a report said. US said Ukraine has taken back 50% of territory that Russia seized. Newcastle United sign England winger Harvey Barnes from Leicester City. Now some sports news. Sri Lanka batter Lahiru Thirimani retired from international cricket. Korea Open 2023 final, Chirag Shetty and Satvik Sairaj Rankireddy won title. ICC World Cup promo without Babar Azam left Shoaib Akhtar fuming. Sweden scrape past South Africa, Dutch do enough at Women's World Cup. England vs Australia, 4th Ashes Test, Day 5 live score. Rain continued to delay proceedings at Old Trafford. Tokyo Olympic silver medalist Ravi Dahiya out of Asian Games after losing in trials to Atish Tolkar. Number 1 match winner for India, selectors massive took on Ravichandran Ashwin. News related to business. Kotak Mahindra Bank 67% profit jumped, beats expectations. Considering allowing rupee for local transactions, Sri Lanka minister. News related to science. NASA's asteroid smashing space debris spotted by Hubble telescope. Let's have a look on weather. Maximum temperature in Delhi settled at 37 degrees. Light rain likely. Gujarat to witness heavy rainfall for next 24 hours. Weather office. And that's all in news. Thank you.